Okay. So, the Blackman family. Okay, naglabas sila dito ng message sa Facebook. Okay? Sabi, don't believe anything you hear from any other source. We would never disrespect our fans like this. We only want to be open and honest about our relationship because we felt our fans deserved to know. Okay, if that is true, okay, well, okay. Number one, okay, yung presentation niyo, okay, is bad. If you guys want to tell your whole fan base that you guys are splitting up, it should be the both of you. Hindi yung ikaw lang dito nag-iiyak-iyak. Okay? The father of your children should be with you. Tatanggalin ko muna to ah. Okay, so okay. Yan video na yan, no? Where is the father of your children? 'Di ba family kayo? 'Di ba marami kayong mga fans? Okay? Then it should be the both of you talking and letting your fans know that you guys are splitting up, and you need to be specific about it. Ano ba yung split up? Split up? Like magkahiwalay? Like what do you mean by magkahiwalay? Divorce? Like what do you mean by that? Okay? Kasi nga dito, you are in a car. Tapos you're playing dramatic music. Tapos, all your content is about happiness. Tapos may content kang randomly na umiiyak ka and you said na we're splitting up. Like, of course, normally, okay, people would think na something is up. That's normal. Okay? Kasi this is different from your content. Of course, people will think whatever they want to think. You can't stop people from thinking whatever they want to think. Kaya nga, the best way to stop all that stuff from happening is to be specific. And kayong dalawa ng father ng anak mo, like, you guys should be together on this. Not only you, because if I see you, you're the only one talking, and I don't see him, I would think something is up too. Okay? So you can't blame your audience. Kung hindi ka ba naman specific and wala yung asawa mo sa tabi mo because he can explain himself also, not only you doing all the talking, people would think that something is up. Okay? Tapos hindi ka pa specific. Like, what do you mean by split? Because split is different from divorce. Split means just split. You guys may get back together later. Pero divorce is different. Divorce is much more harder. I mean, you can remarry later. Pero, yeah, your presentation about dun sa split up ninyo, that it doesn't make sense. Tapos, like I said before on my previous video, usually pag nakakakita ako ng mga nag-split up o nagbe-break up, usually they take a couple of days off from posting or even a week. But you keep posting and posting and posting. Okay? Yung mga ganon clues, people see that and they think something is up. So you can't blame your audience. Okay? So, yeah, yun lang naman. Take care of your family. I'm peacing out.